Mobi bi akwaba edeba Eiii TV so nyankopon hira se wo hwe Eiii TV ebia ende your first time a wo hwe Eiii TV medin no ede Mr. Ike se dia ya hye mo se dia ebesi ewo man mu ene amanhodo so yina no ebe chinchin na yakope ede abremu na ebia afi ene wo first time a wo hwe video sa wo modern na subscribe YouTube channel no that red button no tap so na fa to all videos we also like it na for adventure so efa egu ho hwe video ni wi a sanso na se Facebook nso a follow yen page no Eiii TV follow na like it na fe nso share onim se be last 2 weeks ni mu na ebeto dwa se earthquake yes esi ewo Turkey any Syrian bonten so na endra ye dai sorry ha yesi fufuro asanso si ewo Turkey man ni mu na no 6.3 magnitude na enye fidi agro na lucky a onwe ni se day na sa earthquake first one is ya enipa bako Christian achu ayego so a ewo arehumu no ne de no na owo mu bi ema fofie antoata oto anananom ewo ansie de no and then ya be pue ni se ebi asanso esi wo biem en 6.3 magnitude na sambre na esi wo ho no na aban no ama nkrofo ete sa area ni mu no afiri ho enti no anhyeda enkum nipa sa yes ba report ayensa kan say nipa be miensa na ewu afiri mu sanso na nipa bako 104 enso na April enti no eno no de efiri ho a eba cause ya hyem wo se ne ebeto fiem bia no e de ebaba besomo ewo Eiii TV so bomodien na like video no na share enso efa mayen de be piem bia no ye de bebrew enye se Ghana hanko a baby bia all around the world ye de bebrew esan se ye dream hunti no baby ano ese yetumi ede stories no ede bremo se ehimfa na ye show baby ewu bia no ese yetumi ede stories no etumi ede ebremo once again medin no ede Mr. Ike koso a na follow Eiii TV di mayenhwe se dia video no esi ekoye enya agro kra Eiii download da kra Ghana di esi 0.7 behwe amanfo America amanfo ede na e pono ase amanfo edwa na ekwakohye na 6.3 odi yenhwe video no.
A 6.4 magnitude earthquake has struck Turkey. At least 3 people have been believed to be killed, with more than 200 people injured in parts of Turkey that were laid waste 2 weeks ago by a massive quake that killed tens of thousands. Now, this earthquake has hit the Turkey and the magnitude is believed to be high. 6.4 quake again has hit Turkey, which is right now currently in shambles and trying to recover from the previous earthquake. More than 46,000 people are dead, and right now another earthquake is not a good news for the people of Turkey, who are right now trying to find their loved ones who are already under the debris. For more on this, we have Rishabh on the phone line. Rishabh, what more can you tell us about the earthquake?